Peace be upon you, friends. So, how are you doing? I hope that you are all doing well and are in good health. So friends, a very important update is coming from Grass Network. Finally, Grass Network has launched its non-custodial wallet here. I will provide you with all the details in this video on how to create the wallet and what settings you need to configure. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel yet, you will find the link in the description of this video, where I keep bringing you great testnet, DEPIN, and mining airdrops. And for all the airdrops I provide, I also share the latest and important updates related to them on my Telegram channel, so that even if my video doesn't reach you, you can easily receive all the latest updates through the Telegram channel. So, make sure to join the Telegram channel. Let's quickly start our video. Here you can see that I have opened their official GrassX account, alright. The update came just 2 hours ago, and your brother is the first one providing you with this update, alright. What is the update? It is stated here, introducing the Grass wallet, so the Grass wallet has been introduced. Today, Grass releases its in-app non-custodial wallet. Today, they are saying that Grass has released its in-app non-custodial wallet, alright. Then, after that, it is mentioned here that there is no need to download any extra application for this, alright. You will find this wallet right inside the application, got it? Then, after that, it is stated here that through this wallet, you can send, receive, swap, and hold, alright, just like in other wallets, in the same way. Then, after that, the security of the wallet is being explained here. Regarding security, it is mentioned here that you can generate a passkey, okay, which can be your Face ID, fingerprint, or email OTP. You will generate a passkey using all three methods, okay, and you should also export your private key so that you don't lose this wallet in the future, alright. And then at the end, it is stated that the Grass wallet has been made live on your dashboard, okay. Now, let me tell you how you have to create the wallet. You need to come to your Grass desktop, okay. After coming here, the second option you see is your wallet option. As soon as you click on this option, you will receive a message like this. Own your new wallet with Grass, okay. What you need to do is click on the Continue button. As soon as you click the Continue button, since it has just launched, I was also facing this problem where clicking the Continue button would result in an error, so you don't need to worry. You should try 5, 10, 15, or 20 times, okay. After a few tries, as soon as you click the Continue button, you will get a message saying that an OTP has been sent to your email, okay. You have to go to your email and copy the OTP. After copying, come back here, and there will be an option to paste. You have to paste the OTP there. After pasting, you have to hit enter. You just have to do this much, okay? Just go to your email, copy the OTP, and bring it here to paste. As soon as you paste it, you will receive a message saying, wallet set up successfully, alright. So your wallet will be set up successfully right here. Now, after the setup, they mentioned two things. First, you need to generate a passkey, and second, you need to export the private key. I will also show you how to do both of these things, alright. As soon as your setup is complete, you should click on the second option again, and this way, after the setup, your wallet will appear like this, alright. You need to click on the Advanced Settings option, alright. As soon as you click on Advanced Settings, just like my passkey shows as enabled, you need to click on Manage Passkey here. As soon as you click on Manage Passkey, all three options will appear: Face ID, fingerprint, and OTP via email, alright. So I have used the fingerprint option here. Alright, so you can select any of the three options. Alright, and if you choose face, you need to scan your face. If you choose finger, you need to scan your finger, and if you choose email, you need to provide your email. Alright, an OTP will arrive which you need to enter, and your passkey will be enabled here. Alright, after enabling the passkey, you need to export the private key. You need to click on Export Private Key. As soon as you click on it, it will ask for your password. Alright, you need to enter your password here. After entering the password, you need to check the box here. After checking the box, you will click the Next button. As soon as you click the Next button, your private key will be displayed in front of you. Alright, you need to copy it and save it somewhere safe. Alright, you just need to do these two things, and after that, your wallet will be secured here. Okay, how to create a wallet and how to secure it, I have provided all the details in this very video. I hope that you won't need any other video. Hopefully, you guys must have liked the video. If you liked the video, then like the video, share it with your friends, and those who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and set notifications to all, so that you can get notifications for such amazing content and take full advantage of it. Until the next video, allow your brother Waleed Butt to take his leave. Goodbye friends.